Alright, so we are moving into step 17.3, which is all about changing workbook view and magnification. If you close out of your earnings spreadsheet, go ahead and go back into it and open it. Alright, so just like in Word, you learned how to look at the different views on your ribbon. We're going to look at the views in Excel. So if you click on your View tab, notice we have our workbook views that look just like the views we had in Word. So we're going to take a look at the views. This is our normal view for Excel. If you click on your page layout view, you can view the changes in the columns of your rows and labels separated. That shows you what your sheet would look like if you printed your worksheet. So the data would print on separate sheets of paper, and you're able to see exactly how your data would print in the page layout view. Now click on page break. If you get a dialog box, just press OK. Notice in the page break preview, your data is smaller, but it just shows you in a smaller view how your data looks on your spreadsheet before you print it. So you would have this data on page 1, this data on page 3, and then page 2, page 4, so on and so forth. You can also adjust your lines by clicking, getting your double arrow, and dragging if you wanted your data to be adjusted to fall on another sheet. So I'll press undo. And let's go to the next view, which is custom views. And let's click on full screen view. And notice full screen view, it allows you to see more data on one screen. So we're able to see more data, and notice our ribbon has disappeared. If you're in full screen view, you can simply press your escape key on your keyboard to go back to page break preview and click on your normal view. And then also remember, at the bottom of your status bar, you have your views. So normal, page layout, page break, and notice my zoom decreases. Press OK. Let's go back to normal view. We have our zoom slider that allows us to slide and magnify our data or decrease the size of our data or go back to normal view. As well as in your zoom group, you have your zoom that allows you to magnify or decrease your data. You can go back to your default 100% or your zoom to selection that zooms you into 400%, and then go back to normal view. So this completes the step where we've learned how to change the views and magnifications within our spreadsheet. As you can see, it's very similar to what you've learned in Microsoft Word. Go ahead and save this step, and we'll move on to step 4.